Welcome to Grandpa D Cooking Vlogs. If you like to eat meat or you are a beef lover, to be more specific, then we are on the same page. Right now, Grandpa D is going to share with you one of his best beef recipe, the good old beef stew. With Grandpa D's old-fashioned beef stew recipe, you will enjoy the ultimate cold weather comfort food, garantizado! To start with, let's put olive oil in the pan. Wait until the oil starts to shimmer. We will pan fry our beef chop cut into generous chunks. Season the beef with salt and sear in olive oil to caramelize. We fry the beef to build and seal rich flavor. This is the secret of moist and juicy beef stew. Also, frying the meat will create a caramel residue in the pan, which we deglaze later on. Once the beef turns brown all over, we set it aside. Using another pan, we fried the potatoes until light brown. Frying the potatoes will give it a better texture. Once done, we set it aside. Next, we saute the garlic. Then the onion. And we add them to the beef. Then we add the tomato sauce. Four cups of water. And beef bouillon. Mix them together and start boiling. When it starts to boil, we add the Worcestershire sauce, the sugar, the Italian seasoning, and the smoked paprika. Cover and simmer for 1.5 hours or until tender. One and a half hours later, add carrots. Celery, olives, and potatoes. Simmer for 5 minutes. Grandpa D, beef stew is ready. Gutom na ba kayo? Kain na! For Master Liam Gunlock, enjoy your beef stew. Happy birthday!